Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cindy with Moonfire Studios. I am almost done with my unboxing videos that had been backed up while I was sick and everything, basically for like a month and a half, almost 2 months worth of stuff that I have to get caught up so that I can get moving forward with all of the wonderful creativity and makings that want to come out of my brain. Hopefully they come out well for you guys also. So let's get cracking. This is from the wonderful Nina from Donkey Journals Paper Love on Instagram. And she is from Norway. I've been doing unboxings back to back, so I hope I can still entertain you guys with what I've got, and so you can see where to get things to create with for your own happy projects. And let's see here. We've got a ticket, that's a freebie I believe, and a cigar band, fun to do things with. Ooh, these are really soft tickets. I don't know where these are from, but they're really nice. I like these ones a lot. Those are cool. And here's a cool little ticket label. This one looks Russian, maybe. How cool is that? Oh, and look, there's her little donkey on a tiny envelope. That is super cute. I'm going to put that in my personal journal. I just love that. That's awesome. And I don't remember what I got, so it's a big surprise to me as well as you. Not sure where this one is from. But, oh look, it's like a, maybe a stamp, some type of stamp book, maybe like a ration or food stamp or some such, I'm not sure. Oh, that's cool though. Most of them are blank. Oh, but what? That would be a neat little journal all unto itself. There's the staples. This is super soft paper. Oh my gosh, it feels like buttercream. It's beautiful paper. Here's the end. Oh, just love that. So pretty. Okay, and here's some railroad tickets. These are when they weigh the car and what's in it to make sure you don't steal anything out of it or ship something you're not supposed to. Oh, cool. How neat is that? Those are super fun. Oh, look at these. These are like stock certificates. Oh, look at those cool ones. I like that. How neat are they? Well, this one's cool, huh? Oh, look at that sheet. fun. What neat folders. This one. These are pretty to turn into covers. Oh, look at this for tags. That's neat. Oh, look at that one. You could print over these or stamp on top of them. I'll run them through an embossing folder and then put some ink over top. This one's textured. This has a lovely laid texture to it. It's super soft. Well, this one, you can feel the seal on this one. I don't know if you can see that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, wow. So many cool things to do with these. This one's got a nice light texture, like a light tooth to it. This would be fun to try some watercolors on. Do like a drawing or a stamp of a flower and then this watercolor wash over it. How pretty would that be in your books? Or on a card. Don't forget, guys, you can use things of these for card making, scrapbooking. How fun would this be in a scrapbook to open it up and then have like pictures and do some accordion pocket things. Make a folio out of just these. Oh, so many cool things to do. I like this background and this border. This is super pretty. And if you didn't want to have the inside, which I still would not want to cover this up because it's just beautiful font and everything, but you can cut it out and you can do like something over top for a cover. That would be really pretty. Oh, like for a stitching book or something. And then you can use the back piece of the cover for an envelope. Wow, look at this font. That's really beautiful. How gorgeous is that? And you can turn this into a folio. The perforations on these things are just make it so wonderful to craft with, because you can do so many different techniques just by using or not using the perforations. So this is my tiny Donkey Journals Paper Love haul, and I just love everything from her, and she gets here pretty quickly, so that's always a big plus. And just drop her a heart on Instagram and see what she's got coming up in her sales. Everyone is different, and you can do multiples of things, you can do singles of things. She will work with you on everything. Dina is super sweet, and if you liked our video, give us a thumbs up, and give us a share, a comment. Let me know what would you do with the stock certificates. And would you dismantle this book or keep it in your collection? I'd like to know your thoughts on the things that I bring to my crafty table for you to get inspired by and potentially get some for yourself. And I always, whenever I make a new journal, a folio, any of that stuff, I make up a ephemera pack that I think goes with it as best as possible, or I give a nice little variety. So you could see some of these things, exact things, coming your way too in your next purchase from me. So craft happy, everyone. I will see you next time.